It's day 3 at SEMA 2018, and Manny and I have had so much fun and enjoyment talking about
take 3.
Take 3. We're going to give Cobra some love. If you recall, in one of the first video, I think we were stressing, those guys were stressing the new ecosystem that's being built here, and the Cobra is very much a part of that brand. Different market segment, but still a very essential part to the whole overall ecosystem. So we're going to have give some Cobra some love today, and Manny, you can tell us how it fits in.
So just to recap from our previous conversation and set the stage. So we mentioned that recently we converged our communities and our databases so that alerts, whether they're generated from escort detectors or from Cobra detectors, are shared by the users. So that's part A. Part B is that the alerts are also available to non-detector devices, and that's what we'll cover here. So if we go over here and start with the 500G. So this is within the Cobra brand is the top of the line detector. G it stands GPS. It includes GPS. It has comparable IVT filtering technology, so it gets rid of the false alerts as well. But back on the community side, the important thing is that it's a Bluetooth unit that connects to the iRadar app, and through that mechanism is part of feeding alerts into the system. So some of the alerts that you'll see over there on live might have been generated by Cobra 500G users. So in the case of this particular device, it obviously goes both ways. It generates alerts, contributes alerts to the community, but if you're an iRadar user, you also benefit from escort alerts that you'd see in the app. So this is one additional example of that.
You're leveraging the power
leveraging the power of the community, different users. Again, in this case, both generation of alerts and consumption of alerts. So now onto 2 other examples of
and the price points before we move on.
$199
right
for the 500G.
Yep, very good.
So now 2 other device categories: dash cams and CB radios. They obviously don't detect radar and obviously don't send alerts, but they can receive them.
Interesting.
So
wow.
So 2 things actually. We won the 2316, the dual channel one. We won the award for dash cams. It was announced yesterday.
Congratulations!
So this is now award winning too. So the interesting piece about this is that you can receive the alerts on the camera. So think about probably the most relevant use case is a fleet driver. There might be a commercial vehicle that is not allowed to have a detector, but benefits from the alerts of the community through the dash cam. So it has all of the dash cam functionality.
Even the fixed red light camera.
Correct. So the fixed, the databases, the red light alerts, and the detector generator.
Yes.
So this is an example of part of the community. It's not contributing alerts, but it's benefiting from them. So example number 2.
Very cool. Getting it now.
Next question. I don't have it set up. Okay. That's right. Sorry.
Here we go.
Wrong side. So, last example, the true and tried CB radio. You know, not your dad's CB radio anymore in some sense. So the 29 LX Max with Bluetooth. again, through Bluetooth, becomes a member of the community. It pairs with the iRadar app, and just like the camera, it can receive alerts. So similar use case, commercial truck drivers. That's this one over here. So
power to it.
It does. We don't have
not your father's CB radio.
We don't have the we don't have the alerts running at this point, but it has a digital display. So it's the tried and true Cobra radio with the performance and the reliability that it's always had, but it has this sort of sprinkle of digital technology on top of it that gives it access to the alerts and makes it possible for, again, what's being contributed, whether it's from a Cobra radar detector, from an Escort radar detector. The alerts come here, and again, as a commercial driver, you're not necessarily able to have a radar detector, but you can benefit from the availability of information from other detectors and have a display right there. Similarly, you can't use your phone while you're driving, but you can use the microphone, and it's Bluetooth. It pairs to your phone, so you can actually use this interface to do a phone call as well. So again, for your traditional CB radio functionality with a sprinkle of some digital stuff that provides those additional benefits.
With respect, here's a question, because I really don't know the answer to this question. To the extent that a consumer or trucker buys into these products and the ecosystem that goes with it, do they also get the ability to run the iRad on their iPhone as well and participate in that as well? So
correct.
Not only with the device, but with the app as well, since they're part of that community.
Yeah, and in fact, it's the app and the phone through the Bluetooth connection that's the bridge, if you will, to the community. So yes, they do get that benefit, and that's exactly how they do it.
Good, excellent stuff. Okay. Do you know what the retail on this puppy is?
$199 So this is the high end of the radios.
Excellent, very good. And we know already, and this is going to be disclosed later, CES is coming up not too long away.
Just around the corner. We'll be not exactly here, but we'll be back here in the North Hall.
Right, round 2. And there are going to be new products, as Manny indicated.
Yeah, we have some exciting things on both the Escort and the Cobra side. Don't want to steal the thunder just yet, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. More good things to come.
Very good. Again, it's been a real pleasure. Take care. Have a safe trip back.
Will do.
See you guys.